What's up, guys? My name's Dave from Sound Express Entertainment Group. We're here for Sarah and Scott's wedding reception at Radisson Riverside Hotel in downtown Rochester, New York. It's going to be an awesome event. We have a photo booth for our guests. We have interactive games during dinner just to keep the energy going. We have full room uplighting. We have a facade in front of the DJ table. We have a custom monogram behind our head table. It's going to be an awesome event.
But we young right now, we got right now, so get up right now, 'cause all we got is right now.